Welcome to our channel, where we turn the ordinary into extraordinary. Today we're going to hit the delete button on some habits that are about as welcome as a skunk at a lawn party. We're talking about 7 habits you need to drop now for a thriving future. These habits are like that annoying party guest who just won't leave, keeping you from reaching your full potential. Ready for a roller coaster ride towards transforming your life? Let's say sayonara to what's not serving us and welcome a brighter, more fulfilling future. So get your seatbelts on, and with a drum roll that would make a rock star jealous, let's dive into the first habit to drop. Firstly, your health. It's the foundation of every dream you chase, the rock on which you build your castle of ambitions. But here's a newsflash. Health isn't just about avoiding sickness. It's about embracing wellness. It's about feeling good, feeling strong, and having energy. The healthier you are, the more you are capable of handling life's curveballs. And remember, health isn't only physical. Your mental well-being plays a crucial role too. So eat well, hit the gym, keep stress in check, and don't forget to laugh. Make health a priority and watch the doors to a thriving future swing open. Next up, living beyond your means. It's a trap that can stifle your freedom faster than quicksand. Remember how it felt when you last ran out of cash at the end of the month? Not fun, right? Spending more than you earn, relying on credit, not saving for the future. These habits can leave you shackled by debt, but there's a way out. Budgeting. It's not about restricting your life, but about making wise decisions. It's about understanding where your money goes and controlling it, rather than it controlling you. This empowers you to plan for the future, invest in your dreams, and enjoy life without financial stress. Financial freedom is a key to unlocking your dreams. Number 3, taking loved ones for granted. Ever tried to clap with one hand? That's how life feels without our loved ones. They are our pillars of support who stand by us through thick and thin. So let's take a moment to truly acknowledge their presence in our lives. Remember, a simple thank you or I love you can mean the world. Fear of failure, the dream killer. It's like that big scary monster under the bed when we were kids, but remember, every stumble, every so-called failure is a stepping stone to success. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become resilient. So let's pledge to embrace risks, to welcome the possibility of falling, because only then can we truly rise. On the other side of fear lies your greatest life, waiting to be lived. Stagnation is the enemy of progress, is a reality we often overlook. Ever tried to drive a car stuck in mud? That's how life feels when we stop growing. Personal growth is about pushing your limits and stepping beyond your comfort zone. Try a new language, engage in reading, or explore a location you've never seen before. These are the encounters that mold us, making us more spiritually rich and wise. Cultivate yourself each day and witness your life evolve. Grudges, they're like a heavy backpack on a long hike. They weigh you down, dampen your spirit, and block the path to inner peace. But here's a liberating truth. Forgiveness isn't about the person who wronged you. It's about freeing yourself. It's about breaking the chains of resentment and bitterness that hold you back. It's choosing to let go of the past, choosing to heal, choosing peace over bitterness. It's a powerful choice, one that can transform your life. Choose peace and free yourself. Lastly, your passions. They're not just hobbies, they're your heartbeats. Imagine a pizza without cheese. That's life without passion. They fuel your spirit, add a splash of color to the canvas of life. Yet we often push them aside, buried under the weight of obligations. But remember, your passions are the echoes of your true self. They deserve your attention, your time. Make time for what makes your soul sing and watch your life thrive. There you have it, 7 habits to drop for a life that's not just lived, but cherished. From prioritizing health to embracing risks, from releasing grudges to nurturing passions, it's the small changes that pave the way for massive transformations. Let's start today, because tomorrow is a canvas waiting for your brush strokes. Subscribe for more life-changing content, and let's embark on this journey together. Here's to your thriving future,